Some Windows users face the issue of time and date resetting. It happens when the PC is started or restarted. In this video, we will discover the final solution to the time and date reset issue using two methods. The first method is a tested and 100% effective method. It involves properly configuring the time and date settings. The second method uses a very lightweight program which is easy to use. Its function is to automatically sync the time and date every time you restart or turn on your computer, without needing to manually set the time or date each time. Before we begin explaining the methods to solve the time and date reset issue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give the video a like. The first method is simple and effective. Right-click on the clock icon from the taskbar, then select Adjust Time/Date, then select Add Clocks. There's also another way to reach this window. Just click on the clock in the taskbar, then select Change Time and Date Settings. Once you're in the window, follow these steps with me. Click on the Change Time Zone option. Make sure the time zone is set to your country's capital. For example, I'm in the United States, so I'll choose the capital. Then click OK. The second step, click on the Internet Time tab, then choose Change Settings. Uncheck the box that says Synchronize with an Internet Time Server. Then click OK and OK again. Now manually set your time and date, then restart your computer. Most likely the issue will be resolved. If the issue continues, try the second method, which uses a tool called Dimension 4. It's lightweight, doesn't use system resources, and runs in the background when your PC starts. Its job is to sync time and date, so you don't need to set them manually every time you reboot your computer. You'll find the download link in the description. After downloading the program, install it normally on your PC, then launch the program. Once it opens, all you need to do is, on the first run after installation, go to Settings. Then enable the Load option. Set the mode to Once. Enable the Sync option. Then uncheck the option labeled Maximum. Click OK to save your settings. Now you can close the program and you'll never need to manually fix the time or date again. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon. If you have a problem with your PC or Windows version, leave a comment below and I'll respond as soon as possible.